Alrighty then. It's time to pick up with the Game of Thrones once again. Sorry that last episode ran a little long, almost half an hour. I really apologize for that, but still, you know, it's not too long. But I kind of had to finish out what was going on and all that, you know what I mean? And now we're at the place where apparently we're going to do some fighting with people against slaves and stuff and that. Hopefully that works out better than... God knows I've screwed everything up so far. Well, we can only do what we can do. That's probably going to be, I would imagine that's probably the end. Because I can't... wait a minute. We haven't checked in with what's-her-name lately. Lady what's-her-name's handmaiden or whatever. Might have... I don't know, that might be in here yet someplace. I don't know. But I guess we'll find out soon enough. In the meantime, let us just move along. There it is.
East Watcher.
The East Watcher. As opposed to the Watcher from the East.
Now listen up.
I'm listening.
None of those guards can live long enough to light that beacon. Because if they do, this invasion gets a whole lot fucking harder.
Okay. I'll
Don't
remember
drop
that. Well, we got two there.
We'll need to take those two out first.
We got...
how many men do you think are in there?
Way
Hard
too
to know
many.
for sure. At least 5, maybe more.
Too
To
many
answer
for
your
us.
question, too many to fight head on.
True. And then we got that thing.
Is that a harpy?
Of course it is. Those golden tits are everywhere in this bloody city. If those guards
Golden
light the road,
tweets.
the fire travels up to the bowl, and the whole city will know we're here.
So we stop them.
Oh, man, we can't be letting
Come
that
on,
happen.
let's get moving.
Who goes where? Well, how are we doing this? What are we doing?
Beska.
What? Thank you.
It's nothing. Just forget it.
I know Dizor didn't go the way you wanted, but now is not the time for regret.
You knew what it meant to me, Asher, and you...
Yes.
It's done now.
We did what we were told to do. So nobody can be mad at us for not following instructions.
I'll take him.
I've got the other one.
Oh, heck, that means
Just
I gotta
keep
do
an eye on
fighting
her.
I
things.
don't need him to watch me.
Hey, prove it.
Oh, good God.
What have you heard?
Just sit outside the gates waiting.
Mother of dragons. She wants to scare us, but she won't do it. Not unless she's a fool. Mirin.
Two down. Yay! Ooh, ow. She's gonna get us killed, you know it.
We'll split up. One group will go high and try to climb over to the other side.
What about them?
That's why someone needs to stay down here. They get behind cover and shoot the men up top. Just don't let that one see you.
Which way do I want to go?
Which'll it be?
Go above and climb the wall. Go above and climb the wall.
We'll go over the top. You just make sure you clear the way.
Okay. I hope that was the right decision. Oh, it probably wasn't. One down. Yay! Oh, GB. Oops. Sorry about that. Whoopsie. What? Oh, for God's sakes. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We got this.
hear that?
No, didn't hear nothing. Shh. Be quiet.
She calls herself the breaker of chains. We will break her.
They say the Targaryen woman's army grows by the day.
Take him out. Dead, dead. Shh, shush. You're dead.
I think Croft got the easy job.
Sorry we didn't kill you faster. Didn't want to drag it out. Oh, all these save points, you know what that means. We're going to die at any second. You know that. Now what?
Not important. Keep moving.
All right.
The guards on the roof.
Yeah?
We'll take care of it.
Oh.
I'll get rid of them.
Okay.
Got it. Go.
All right. I sneaking. Sneaky, so nobody sees me.
No. It's too much.
What?
It's too much. You'll ruin it.
I know what I'm doing.
Doesn't look like you do.
Little rat.
Say something? Well?
I said you're a little rat. Why are you laughing?
Nothing. Just keep doing it that way. Tell me when your sword breaks.
Then it won't break.
I'm assuming I'm supposed to kill this one.
You inhabit first.
I killed him! I did it all myself! And then that one died. Alright. And nobody hears me climbing up this stupid thing,
All
really?
clear down there? Hey, you listening to me?
Hey, I hit the button! Oh, god damn it. Yeah. I hit the little down button and hit the other trigger button. No, this thing doesn't listen to me. It's gotta do what it wants to do. Let's try it again.
All clear down there? Hey, you listening to me?
Oh, I did it that time. At least this thing listens to me sometimes. Not very damn often.
They're still up there. On the right. Take them out, and you'll be clear to secure the beacon.
Okay.
They break through. I'll keep them busy.
Okay. Alright, Squinky. Whatever there,
We can
One Eye.
finish this. Just look at them. 2 men. We've dealt with worse. Let's rush them and be done with it.
What about them?
Yeah.
You afraid of a couple of crossbows? We took on the Lost Legion by ourselves.
We gotta stick
This
to what's
is
his name's
nothing.
plan.
We stick to Croft's plan. Take care of them first.
Right.
We're doing what we were told to do. Shut up. We were told to listen to everything he said. I don't want to screw up that deal. Know what I mean? Okay, that's one down. And now I'm down.
Hey!
You know somebody had to hear that. Oh, bloody hell.
Well, hello.
Light the beacon! Stop him!
Oh, I guess I did it. Wow.
Look out!
Light it! Light it!
No lighting. No lighting anything. Oh, hell. Cut it. Cut the thingy. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that. One down. Is there anybody left? Oh, hell, there's still one.
Ah, he's going to light the beacon!
Oh, bloody hell.
All out!
Oh, for God's sakes, of course you are. No, 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 no. Oh, I screwed that up. What was I supposed to do there? What was I supposed to do there? Throw the hatchet at him, maybe?
The torch!
Ah, he's going to light the beacon! All out!
Alright, Oh, for Christ's sake, really? You don't look so damn happy.
Ah, he's going to light the beacon! All out!
Well, let's get up the damn ladder then. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna miss it again. Come on, damn it. That took too much freaking effort and way too many tries. I did the same thing each time, but apparently I needed to do it a different quickness. I don't know.
Oh, I can't believe you did it.
We did it.
Croft!
Croft!
Quit your whimpering.
Oh, good.
I'm not dead yet.
Well, good. Thanks.
Hear that?
Sounds like a bunch of freed slaves to me.
It's starting.
Good. Goody good. Goody goody good. Oh, God. Okay.
Home at last.
My
Back
butt
at
hurts.
High Point, I
Say it.
wasn't sure your brother would survive the day.
Yes, well,
Nearly didn't.
we did our best.
But you kept your head and took Ludd's deal. And now Ryan will be coming home.
Yeah, at what
He'll
cost though?
sleep in his bed. Eat at our table. He'll be right here, where he belongs.
Restoring our family is just the beginning. Next we'll rebuild. Make ourselves strong again.
I don't know about all that.
Sometimes you sound just like your father.
Yeah, well, it'd be nice if he was here.
Look!
What? What? Where in the hell is everybody?
Where are the guards?
Really, where the hell is everybody? This can't be good. We left guards here for a reason. There's arrows in blood, and this is not good.
Dahlia?
Oh, good. Gookie mookies.
Sir Ryland!
Does it ever end?
Where are the Glenmores?
Yeah, really.
Where's anybody? Wait here.
That doesn't sound hopeful.
Come on. Don't be so dreary.
Oh, I know that voice.
Joke.
I'm sorry, I should have laughed.
I know that voice.
Maybe you
Please
should
say no.
do
Please
better.
say no.
Of course not. I didn't mean to
Perhaps
offend
a
you.
song instead. I hear you've written a touching song about your dead brother. Am I in it? Let's hear it, shall we?
No,
No.
I won't.
I want you to sing, Talia.
I'm speechless here.
Go on.
Roderick!
Roderick!
Oh, I know it was crazy ass.
Welcome back.
Lord Ramsay, welcome to Ironrath.
How courteous. Now I know where your sister gets her manners.
Oh, good God. I really hate him. Man's crazy.
We've had a lovely time together. Haven't we, Talia?
Yes.
Say it. Say it's been lovely.
It's been lovely.
Man's got
you?
issues.
I'm
He's
told you're a
seriously
man who
crazy.
can't be broken. I've decided to come see for myself.
No. Don't leave. Oh, for God's sakes. You're going to leave me hanging there?
Ethan was the first forester I killed. Doesn't have to be the last.
You don't know what you're in for, Garrett. What you're asking my brother to do. The North Grove isn't what you think it is.
What is
You
it?
claim to be a leader, yet your own people do not respect you.
But
What?
we did as you commanded.
Yeah, I did.
These
Everything.
aren't sellswords, Asher. They're killers.
Roderick!
I can't believe I trusted him.
I know you and my brother were in contact.
Oh, I hate that bitch, too.
Perhaps he told you things. Things that might prove his guilt. Perhaps you're not to be trusted either.
You're
I
not
hate her.
listening, Garrett.
Shh. What am I supposed to hear there? Oh, this is not going to be good. Oh, my God. Ah. All right. Most of us brought Finn along. Well, I would certainly hope so. We kind of needed him. Oh, only 38% of us showed mercy to Griff. Probably was a bad idea, based on what we just saw. 85% kept Sarah's secret from Lord Tarwick. Okay, well, that's a good thing. Most of us said for the Glenmore soldiers to remain at Ironrath. I wonder if I'd have brought the soldiers with me, if I could have maybe just killed everybody in Whitehill. And very few of us, only 38%, stopped Beskha from killing the slave master. Huh. Well. Alright then. Not happy about that. And that's a horrible place to leave me hanging. As Decon would say, my anus. Sorry, I had to give a shout out there. Well, that'll do for this. I think coming up next we've got Life is Strange we got to catch up on. I do have to do some more of The Wolf Among Us. Definitely got to pick up that one. And this weekend, once again, I will be doing Wolfenstein. Hopefully I'll finish that damn thing. That's a hateful game. So, I don't know. We shall see. In the meantime, you folks have a fantastic evening. I'm hoping that my voice is loud enough that I can be playing music over this crappy music they got in the game, because it'll bring me for the game. Alright? Till then, you folks have a fantastic evening, and I will see you the next time with whatever it is I decide to do here. Alrighty? Cool beans. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye.